So let's get right to it. Here's exactly why you should choose Mapline Consulting. First, we literally love data, and we go deep with it to extract every nugget of information possible to help you make better business decisions. I mean it. We genuinely love the art of analytics and can't wait to show you all that your data has to offer. Second, and I don't mean to sound boastful, but we are really good at what we do. We designed and built an entire platform and proprietary tool set to help you see your data from a completely unique perspective. Couple that with our deep understanding of Excel, SQL, and database technologies, and you have access to a broad set of skills and a wealth of real-world experience in data analysis. Finally, more important than anything else, we really want you to succeed. We care about our customers and making sure that everything is transparent, understandable, and that we have excellent communications. We'll help you automate processes and then follow up with you routinely to make sure things are working just the way you wanted, even after the final deliverable. So whether you're performing market research, building better sales territories, or creating business continuity plans, Mapline Consulting is exactly what you need, because it works.